ERP and other business systems are great systems of record, but they are often complex and not easily accessible by workers in the field. Novacura Flow changes all of that. Novacura Flow extends the power of your existing business systems and allows you to quickly create and deploy customized apps in just minutes. The concept is easy. Draw your preferred business process, connect your workflow to any business system, and run your application on any mobile device or PC that you choose. Business systems are complex, but your user interface doesn't have to be. Let's take a look at an example of how your warehouse processes can be simplified with a custom warehouse management app from Novacura Flow. We'll start by signing in, either by scanning or entering the employee number. The user will now see a menu with all of the warehouse processes you have assigned to them through security permissions in one simple-to-use interface. Processes such as cycle counting, creating customer pick lists, registering purchase order arrivals, moving inventory, and issuing materials via a shop order pick list. Let's walk through a couple examples of these processes. In a typical warehouse, your user may print out a cycle count report and walk around the warehouse from location to location and validate part counts scheduled for that day. They manually write down their counts only to bring it back to their computer to enter into your system. With Flow, running on a mobile device, the user is free of paper and counts are recorded in real time. We'll start by entering a count report number. You can do this by either scanning a barcode or manually entering it. You'll see that the Flow directs the user in a step-by-step process to go to a specific location and validate that you are here. Now the user is presented with part information that needs to be counted. The user enters in quantity they counted. But what if the count entered is not the same as what is showing in your business system? I've configured this flow to alert the user that there is a variance to their count compared to what shows in inventory. This now gives the operator the option to recount or to confirm the count entered is correct. The user recounted the parts and realized they made an error. They enter the correct count and register the results. The report now is complete and already registered within your business system. Let's now take a look at how simple receiving and purchase orders in Flow can be. You can configure your Flow to allow for the user to search for POs ready to be received in several ways. In this example, you'll see the user can search by supplier name or number, by PO number, or by part number. In this example, I'll use part number. Again, you can enter the part number we want to search for by either scanning a barcode or manually entering it. The user will now be presented with a list of all POs that are ready to be received in for that part number. The user validates that they have the correct PO and selects it. They now enter in the arrival location they want to receive the parts into. The user selects the PO line and enters in the quantity to be received in. They are now shown a final verification step to confirm the info entered is correct. The PO is now confirmed and fully registered and recorded into your business system. Finally, let me show you how simple the shop order kitting process can be with Flow. The user will start by scanning or entering in the pick list number. You'll see that the flow is configured to walk the user through the correct steps. The user enters in the location they arrived at to validate that they are at the correct location. They enter the quantity that they picked and presented with a message saying that the pick list is now complete. If I had several parts on this pick list, it would walk the user through each one until the pick was completed. These 3 examples show you how simple it is to create a step-by-step approach for the user that eliminates mistakes and increases efficiency and productivity by using Flow. Thank you for watching. Contact me for further details on how Novacura and I can help you innovate and transform and improve your core business processes.